वेलकम टू सेल्लम इंडिया क्लासेस। और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट योर नॉलेज बेस्ट in exam. That is how to make the best paper presentation, how the toppers make the answer sheet so visually appealing and score high marks. देखो, पढ़ाई सब करते हैं, हर एक स्टूडेंट अपनी पूरी मेहनत देता है एक एग्जाम को अटेम्प्ट करने से पहले। ठीक है, मार्क्स जो आए वो इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है, द नॉलेज यू गेन्ड इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट अगर थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट करने से आप अच्छे मार्क्स ले आओ तो इसमें क्या बुरा है ना। तो आगे जो मैं टिप्स बताने वाली हूँ उनको ध्यान से सुनो और अपने एग्जाम में अप्लाई करो। ओके, सो द फर्स्ट टिप इज ऑलवेज ट्राई टू राइट एज नीट एज पॉसिबल। इसीलिए बचपन से एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट दिया जाता है कि हैंडराइटिंग अच्छी हो, हैंडराइटिंग अच्छी हो, बिकॉज दैट द आंसर शीट विच इज नीट ऑब्वियसली स्कोर्स हाई। ओके, अब नो वरीज, अगर आपकी हैंडराइटिंग अच्छी नहीं है तो भी ट्राई टू राइट neatly. Okay, don't try to go into cursive or write so close words in between. Try to write like this. अगर आप लेटर्स को सेपरेट लिखोगे तो ऑब्वियसली दे विल लुक नीट। ओके, तो handwriting is not the issue. You should write neatly. So next second tip is, whenever writing the answer, always leave 2-3 lines in between so that they are easily and clearly differentiable. The examiner will not put extra effort in differentiating your answers. Okay, so always try to leave 2-3 lines in between. Okay, so this for rough work, always draw a 2-inch border on the right side. Okay, doing rough work where and anywhere else will make the answer sheet look untidy. Okay, the next step is, in numericals, always draw a box around your answer. Okay, the answer should be highlighted. Okay, so the examiner, if in hurry, will check the answer sheet, your answer is correct, then he can give you full marks. Okay, and also in mathematics, whenever you have some question of something like to prove something or to calculate something, you have to write the answer in steps. First, you have to write the given part, then the formula used, and then the calculation. After that, answer or hands proved. Okay, always try to draw a box around your important calculations or answers. Okay, and always read the question fully. Okay, there is a thing that we read first few words and we see that this is the familiar question, we have solved it before, but this is a trap. Okay, you should read the question fully and then calculate your answers. Okay. Okay, I tell you a story. When I was appearing for my class 10th mathematics exam, I was so confident that I know everything. I didn't read the last question fully, that is of 10 marks, and it was income tax question. Okay, in which we have to calculate the income tax only. We didn't need to calculate the surcharge, and I calculated the surcharge, and my answer was income tax plus surcharge, and I put a round around that I draw a box around that answer, and my full paper was correct. I was about to score 100 in my mathematics paper, and due to this small mistake I got 90 marks. Okay, so this is the must thing, that you read the question fully and then answer it. Okay, next step is, try to include more diagrams, pictures, and tables wherever possible, and use a sharpened pencil ruler to draw them, and label the diagrams neatly in block letters. Okay, always try to write the labeling in block letters. Okay, and the next step is, answer to the point, answer in points. It's better than writing the long paragraph. Okay, for 5 marks question you should have 5 points in mind. Okay, try to write the question number properly. Okay, this is the important thing. Okay, which question you are attempting, you should write the number properly, clearly visible. Okay, and whenever you need to cut anything in the paper, and the next step is whenever you need to cut anything in paper, just draw a line on it, or don't try to scribble or scratch it, it will look untidy. Attempt all questions. There is no negative marking in school examination or board examination. Okay, always try to attempt all the question, whether it is in syllabus or out of syllabus, and out of syllabus questions should be attempted. Okay, try to recall, reread the question and recall whatever comes in your mind, or if you can't recall anything, try to make smart guesses. Okay, try to write some technical term that will impress the examiner. Always attempt questions. Okay, these are some tips to make your paper presentation better. So if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and share as much as possible. Okay, bye bye.